Hey guys, Big West here. So if you want to see me struggling to put the contacts on, like always, click the card on the screen now. If not, stay tuned for the entire unboxing video. This is a 1 year, basically, anniversary from my best video so far. So thank you guys. What up, y'all? How you guys doing? It's Big West here. I got something I've been looking forward to doing for a long time, basically since I did it the first time. Got another unboxing of some contact lenses to show you, because it's the 1 year anniversary of definitely my best video so far. I decided I'm gonna do another unboxing, and for another character from Naruto, one who I really love, probably one of the best villains in the show, arguably, Pain. So I got these Rinnegan contacts, gonna put them on for you, show you guys again what it's like, where I got them, and so where you guys can get them and what they're gonna be like in your eyes. So I got these ones from a different company, Uniqso, I think that's how you pronounce it. I hope I pronounce it right. I'll put the link in the bottom. So the unboxing portion is pretty similar to the last one I have, so if you haven't seen that, I'll put a card on screen now for you to see, and you can check that video. It's pretty similar to this one. So I'll open this bad boy up. So these guys sent me a lot more stuff. Not a lot more, but just more stuff, so that's pretty cool. Oh wow. This is the box that contains the Rinnegan. Very nice, has like the logo for them. Nice little thank you on the back as well. Actually, I'm teasing you guys. I'm gonna show you the contacts last. So right now I got this pretty cute kawaii Hello Kitty carry case. I don't have the other one for the Rinnegan contact lens anymore, so looks like I'm gonna be rocking this Hello Kitty lens. They gave me a free other just random contact lens. That's pretty sweet. I guess I could try it. So it says a little verbiage on the front. You can pause it and read that. Also another contact. I think that's it. So back to what you guys came here to see. Dude, these are sick. Oh, I'm actually really happy with these. This is just what it looks like, the case it's come in. I'll rip this off so you guys can get an actual look. So here are the Rinnegan in there. These ones are sclera lenses, so they cover like all the whites of your eye totally. They got a little bit in there for pupil. I'm excited. These are legit the Rinnegan from the show. Can't wait to see how it looks in my eye. Also, from this company, when I was looking it up, doing a little bit more homework research this time, I learned that you're supposed to actually oxidize the contacts for like at least 12 hours. And so, as you can see in the last video, I basically just popped them open and stuck them right in my face. So that's probably why my eyes were watering so bad, because like any of the other times I put them on, couldn't see them in the video though, like I just popped those suckers in, like no tears, like just one, wiped it off, and I was good to go. So yeah, I'm gonna do these steps properly this time. I'm gonna oxidize them. I'll come back in 12 hours. Also put the link for you guys to see that in the description below, the video from Uniqso. That's really legit, really helpful if you've never even worn contacts before. Put them in my Hello Kitty case, and I will see you guys in at least 12 hours. Just kidding, I'm actually gonna be back a lot earlier. So inside the case, it actually came with, I'll show you, like all the little tools. These guys give you a lot more tools, which is really sweet. Oh, there's a little mirror in there too. So when you're on the go, you can actually put them on. So this is a plunger. You can put the end of, like, put the contact on there and like stick it in your eye. I don't think I'll do that. I'm not like as advanced. These forceps are used to pull them out of whatever little vial that it's in. I don't know what the heck this is. It's just an empty bottle. I'm guessing to put solution in, so when you're on the go as well. Oh, also, this came with one more thing. Is this? I don't know what the heck it is. I'm guessing it has something to do with the contacts. There's an L and an R in them for left and right. I don't know how this is supposed to do anything, so I'm gonna leave it. If you know what it is, tell me in the comments and make me not look like such an idiot next time. So yeah, I would definitely recommend these guys over the other guys. Just get like a little bit more stuff. If you're greedy and you're cheap, that's the best offer. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a couple of hours. So yeah. Hey guys, so funny story. It's actually been several months instead of just 24 hours or 12 hours or whatever it was from me soaking the contacts. So sorry for the delay. I tried them on Halloween. They are actually awesome. So I'm gonna show you guys finally now how they look in your eyes. Let's just hop right into it. Alright, so I got one in. Okay guys, so it took a little bit longer than expected to get them in. Depending on how the edit looks, I might not show you actually putting them in my eyes because it took a lot longer than expected. But here's the end result. They look like fantastic. I'll zoom in again for you guys. So here's my left eye. And here is my right eye. Now, they're watering a lot right now. That's still because the solution in my contacts case, so it's like a lot of moisture on my eyes, so I just gotta keep wiping them. Top of that, I'm a little bit sick, you might be able to hear it. But the one thing I wanted to address, because a lot of people were commenting this in the last video, this does not hurt. Like, I'm okay, perfectly fine. Yeah, I'm just trying to breathe, but like, trust me guys, like, this doesn't hurt, like, it's fine, I see really good. So to complete the whole effect here, the Rinnegan contacts, got myself a little hidden mist headband, got the Koski t-shirt as you can see. So if you want to go as cheap cosplay as Pay next Halloween, it's an easy ensemble, it's pretty cheap. I mean, the contacts are a little expensive, but the shirt and the headband, you can get them online real cheap. Alright, and so, just to show you guys that I can see properly with these on, I'm going to read off from the comments from my last video, because you guys are going crazy. It's Uniqso. How did Killer Bee get the Sharingan? I kind of like that one, that's funny. Nagashi, like, come on. Black Hokage of the Hidden Ghetto Village. Nagato, the 9th Hokage. Like, come on guys, you can't just drop nigga in there and then just put on Naruto words and stuff. I get it though. Honestly, you guys just relax with like the nigga stuff. I get it, I'm black. This one actually makes sense because Nagato, but it's been heard all before guys, come on. So one more peek with the headband on. And honestly, yeah, they just look a little red just because I just put them on. I'm a little bit sick right now, as you can hear, but trust me guys, they feel awesome, they look awesome. Sorry guys, this was a bit of an afterthought. So I already took one out, as you can see, but taking these contacts out, it's a lot easier than putting them in. Honestly, you just go, pinch the bottom, and they're gone. Alright, so thank you guys for watching as always. Let me know in the comments what you want to see from me next time. I apologize again for taking so long. Let me know any suggestions you got for videos, stuff you want to see me do, and subscribe for more content. I love doing this stuff for you guys. Alright, so thank you. See you next time.